Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you all well. Last week in poetry we looked at one specific feature, and that feature was rhyme. Now rhyme is concerned with how words end, matching word endings, such as log, frog, dog. Today's feature, and the feature that we're going to be looking at this week, is alliteration. And alliteration is concerned with the first sound in a word. Now, there are two reasons why poems use alliteration. The first is to create a specific sound. So, for example, if I was describing a snake, and a snake makes a hissing sound, I might describe it with words that begin with the letter S, because then, when I put the words together, it would make the hissing sound. Let's see. The snake slithered and slid sneakily to the side. All of those words begin with the letter S, and when I say them together, it makes the hissing sound. The snake slithered and slid sneakily to the side. That's one reason for using alliteration, having all the letters of the words beginning with the same letter. The second reason for using alliteration is actually to try and create a tongue twister. So, for example, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Which piece of the... See, I'm getting lost on the tongue twister. Let me try again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Which peck of pickled pepper did Peter Piper pick? There, it all starts with the letter P. Let's try another. Marvellous magic, most mysterious. Make a monster into mozzarella marmalade. All beginning with M, making it harder to say very quickly. A tongue twister. And later in the week, using alliteration, I'm going to ask you to try and write me your own tongue twister. That's not today's work, that's going to be later. And then at the end of the week, I'm also going to ask you to try and send me your own tongue twisters to the year group email address. The best written tongue twister, or maybe several of the best written tongue twisters, I will attempt to read as quickly as I can at the end of the week in a YouTube video. For today, however, I am concerned with you just selecting several words that go together that start with the same letter. For example, using two words together. Beautiful butterfly. Brilliantly bright, horrid Henry. Three words together. Slow, slimy snail. Daringly dashing dog. Four words together. Marvellous magic, most mysterious. Below this video, there's a worksheet where you can try and pair together two words that have the same opening sound, three words that have the same opening sound, and if you're feeling very brave and up for a challenge, four words that begin with the same opening sound. Give it a go, and later in the week we can use these pieces of alliteration that you create today to come up with our own tongue twister. As always, have fun.